Had some very stormy weather earlier this week, and we're set to see more stormy weather over the next 24 hours, especially tonight and tomorrow, with the added complication there could be a little bit of snow to come, especially over parts of Scotland. Now, for the moment, we have strong winds forecast really through Friday, but they're going to start tonight across England, Wales and Northern Ireland. Very strong winds at times, with gusts to 70 miles an hour, and also, as I mentioned, a little bit of snow to come for parts of Scotland as well. Now, what's happening on the big picture, we can see a lot of clouds streaming in from the Atlantic. There is an area of low pressure here. It's all gradually drifting its way towards us, and it'll pick up at heels and move pretty swiftly through both tonight and tomorrow as it races its way across, bringing the band of very strong winds, notably for northern England and North Wales, but everywhere is going to be windy, and once it moves through, a turn in wind direction, bringing those cold northwesterlies back across us, will feed in more of those wintry showers. Now, as you can see, we've got no shortage of cloud right now. In fact, some quite persistent rain on western parts of Scotland into Northern Ireland, creeping into the northwest of England. We'll probably hold on to a little bit of brightness, a little bit of hazy sunshine from East Anglia down towards Hampshire. But in general, it's clouding over through the afternoon, and the breeze will freshen up again. Temperatures were not too bad, 8 or 9 in the south, perhaps no higher, should I say, than 4 to 6 degrees across parts of Scotland. Now then, this is the real culprit for the change. It's this area of low pressure arriving tonight and then racing its way across. And as it does so, you'll notice that we'll start to see a few more of the white symbols. That's the colder air and the possibility of sleet and snow, especially on the tail end of this weather system across the southern uplands and perhaps into the more northern hills of England as well. Now, temperatures tonight, well, they'll start off pretty low, but warm up once that wind gets going. Perhaps no lower than 8 or 9 degrees in the south, but quite cold across parts of Scotland, with further wintry showers likely across the Highland region more especially. So tomorrow morning, I think for a large part of England and Wales, we've got a pretty wet start and a very windy one as well. Further north, it may perhaps be a little bit brighter, but we'll also see plenty of showers being pushed along by those strong northwesterly winds. Everywhere is going to be windy. The strongest winds, as I've mentioned, across northern England and North Wales, and it'll turn very much colder once the wind swings in from the northwest. Contrast that to what's been happening in Europe, because Moscow's been unusually warm during the night time, some 12 degrees above average. But it is going to change. This area of low pressure moves across the same area of low pressure, and that'll pull in very much colder air, so it will return to normal, I think, over the next few nights. Our city forecast through Friday and Saturday, will plenty of cloud around and turning colder, and Saturday's forecast for the whole of the United Kingdom likely to see plenty of wintry showers and cold. Bye for now.